Yan. Oh, 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 oh.
Savadi! How are you? How are you? You know, we are here right now at Tad Fani Resort. It is located in Pak Song, the Bulaven Plateau in Laos, approximately 38 kilometers from Pak Se. What an amazing along highway of 16E. You know, the resort is located amidst the lush jungle surrounding and offers stunning views of the Tad Fani waterfalls. Change the Champi and Pak Kut rivers converge to create 120 meters cascade. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us and look at this beautiful falls. You know, it's not false, but it is true. But anyway, come and join us next time only here at Pak Se, Laos. Remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. Remember, Tad Fani Resort here. See you around. Bye!